Feelings. Happiness. I am happiness. You feel happy when things are going well. You are happy when you have a nice cake to eat. When you are happy, you want to laugh and jump for joy. Anger. I am anger. You feel angry when you are not pleased. If you breathe slowly, you will calm down and soon feel better. Sometimes you express your anger by throwing things. Love. I am love. You feel love when you like someone very much. You miss your mummy when she is away because you love her. When you love someone, you want to do everything together. Sadness. I am sadness. When you are sad, tears roll down your cheeks. You feel sad when you miss something or someone. Luckily, I disappear when someone makes you laugh. Boredom. I am boredom. You feel bored when you do not know what to do. You often yawn and go around in circles when you are bored. Stop feeling bored by doing something creative. Disgust. I am disgust. I can make you feel sick. You feel disgust when you see something you dislike. Sometimes you can find a smell disgusting. Surprise. I am surprise. I turn up when you do not expect me. I can be a nice or nasty surprise. You are always astonished when I appear. Fear. I am fear. I make you tremble. I can make you feel you want to hide because you sense danger. Soothing words will comfort you and make me disappear.